Let's have a look at how to create interfaces in Java. Interfaces act like a contract for a class. Here's an example of an interface. To create an interface, we use the interface keyword, followed by the name of the interface, in this case my interface. Please mind that names of the interface start with an uppercase letter. The methods in an interface don't have a body. You can see that it ends with a semicolon and that there are no curly braces in place. They only have a signature, which is the method name, return type and parameters. In fact, we can even leave the word public out, because they're public by default. So interfaces are created with the interface keyword, and they contain method signatures of abstract methods. Let's have a look in IntelliJ at how we could create the prey and predator interface. Alright, so here I am in IntelliJ. And in order to create an interface, I'm going to right-click on the package that I want to create the interface in. I'm going to say New and then select Java class. In the drop-down, I can select Interface in here, and I'm going to call my interface prey. And as you can see, it now made an interface. If you accidentally clicked class, don't worry, you can just type interface and it shows up as interface. You can also see that in the project overview, instead of the blue C, I'm having a green I now. So I can easily see that this is in fact an interface. Okay, let me close this project view, it's only distracting. In my prey method, I'm going to give the method run and hide. Well, technically, these should probably be two methods, but that's a later topic. Alright, so I've given it a method run and hide. I'm also going to be creating a predator. So again, I'm going to go here, interfaces, right click, new Java class. Let me on purpose select the class right now and I can show you how easy it is to fix this. So I'm just going to type interface here. There we go, I fixed it. And then this is going to be catch and eat. Oh, I must specify void, of course, because that's the return type. There we go. So that's how to create interfaces. Use the interface keyword instead of the class and specify the method signatures. I can add public, it will compile, but it's redundant because it's public by default. You cannot see, it also shows up gray. It's not necessary to add this, I'm going to leave it out. A class needs to implement an interface, and that's exactly what we'll be doing in the next video.